I was thinking about a brother today when I was inside the church and just doing a little vacuuming in the sanctuary, and I stopped to talk to my brother that does a lot of construction there. We're doing a lot of remodeling over the years, keeps going, and the place looks nothing like the bowling alley that it used to be, but right where I'm pointing to, right there, there used to be a bar, and they're remodeling it right now to be a library, and then there'll be the lobby after that, and then the sanctuary, and then the stage. Well, anyway, so I was telling my brother, I remember, didn't seem that long ago, it was about 8 years ago, where I was pulling a brother out of that bar, and there was a hussy sitting next to him, a little Jezebel, telling him to, whatever, seducing him. And the Lord had told me to pull over right then outside this church, and I parked right there, and I walked in that door to the bar, which is now a church, and I coaxed him out. And I saw that same lady many years later at the food bank today getting groceries. So anyway, I just thought I'd share that. The big important thing is that my brother that does a lot of construction here, he says, yeah, I used to be one of those fools sitting on a bar stool. And that's back in his atheist days, and I said, well, where else would you go in a small town like we live in? There's nothing else to do but drink, go to a bar. Anyway, so it's the first couple of years here. Calvary Chapel was known as the all the unbelievers would call it the bowling alley church. Very few people call it that anymore. It's got a very good reputation, I would say, even among the unbelievers, as true blue Bible church, loving people, a bit staunch, a bit stoic. Generally friendly though, and definitely loving for sure once you get to know people. Anyway, I just wanted to share that flashbacks for Christians can be a good thing, remembering the bad old days, and how we would never ever want to go back to that again. Easter or Resurrection weekend has begun, and we'll see what else happens.